Hi there, we're Salesforce support, here to take your Salesforce knowledge to new heights. Whether you're a seasoned developer, a business user, or a brand new Salesforce admin, Salesforce support is here to guide you every step of the way. Our videos cover a wide range of Salesforce products, including Sales Cloud, Service Cloud, Marketing Cloud, Data Cloud, Commerce Cloud, and more. From quick how-to guides and advanced feature tutorials to certification prep and troubleshooting tips, our videos are here to make your Salesforce journey easier and more efficient. Strapped for time? Don't worry. Most of our videos are short, so you can quickly learn what you need. Want to go deeper? Check out our comprehensive tutorials to elevate your skills on features like automation, reporting, integration, and security. No matter the question, product, or level you're on, the sky's the limit. Watch videos, get answers, grow your knowledge, and join the community. Hit subscribe and explore the power of Salesforce today.